big welcome to every one of you to today's game. I'm Martin Tyler, and the biggest welcome from me is to Alan Smith alongside me. And today it's Everton against Stoke City. Alan, your thought on these two teams today?
You look at them, they are evenly matched, aren't they? Not much to separate them, but you look at the two sets of teams, there's players out there, and there are some that can create a chance, no doubt about it.
Our man in charge for this game is Lucas Papwick. Everton get the game underway. Baines. Well, he saw the guy could switch the play to and came up with the pass as well. Excellent. To Gibson. Leighton Baines. That's a good pass. Might need more back here to curb this piece of attacking play. Long range effort, very long range. Tightly. Good ball. Crouch! He's got space. He needed to be quick there. Urgent work from him, and he's kept them out really on his own. Quick ball. That could open them. Here's the chance. Needing to defend here, the corner, Everton. And it's a header. It's goal with a brilliant header. And that's one certainly for the description of Alan Smith.
Getting up above his centre-half, he had no chance. Oh, what a corner, what a well-worked corner that was. Everybody knew their place, they knew what they were doing. Came off perfectly.
So after the goal, we've opened the scoring here, 1-0. Osman, unlucky, that's not what he was trying to do, it's gone out of play. Walters. Etherington makes a challenge here. Here is an opportunity. Quick counter-attack was on, but in the end, it came to nothing. They've linked up well. Oh, the build-up, great build-up, stopped here. Osman. Oh, he can cross it from here. Great, and hits it. That's no problem to the goalkeeper, it's straight at him. Whitehead. And here's Crouch. Needs some defensive discipline at the moment. They're passing it well here. What a chance here. Slipped past his man now. Very committed, the keeper, but he got it spot on.
Oh, one-on-one, he's helped out his defenders there, no end.
Well, the commentary gantry is amazing because when Everton do well, particularly in a game where they're the underdogs, somehow it brings the best out of the Everton support. The ground shakes and you just wonder whether you're going to be able to survive, but it creates something unique.
It does. I don't know what it is about the place. We were together when...
Well, it's a hopeful shot, and he's booted it away, and the danger is eased on his goal. Osman. And they play it wide now. He's had a go. Good, courageous stuff to get in the line of the shot. Good clearance. Cleared well. Well, not that well, because they're going to have to do some more defending now. I do think this team are clever when they do attack. Seen the chance! Right down the slot for the goalkeeper. Whitehead. And the pass cut out at a truly vital time. And it's in possession now, the ball again for Stoke City. Walters. Well, he never stops running. Never. Well executed. Contesting possession. I thought that attack was actually going to lead to a chance, but maybe it's easier to see from up here than it was down on the pitch. Distin. Pina tried to work the ball wide but didn't get the accuracy he wanted. Kindly. Good pass. That's a vital stop. Here's the shot. Very good defending to get in the way of that shot. Volleys it. And he saw the danger and snuffed it out. And that's several times he's done it in this match. Fellaini. Some options now for the pass. Osman. It's Phil Neville. Well, he fancied his chances from that sort of distance. Well, ambitious, but the goalkeeper quite happy to deal with that. Good ball. And that's the opposition getting back on the ball after a promising attacking situation. Keeps it going well. At goal! It's a penalty here. And he goes for the chip. Oh, hats off to the keeper.
Oh, brilliant stuff from him. Wasn't going to be foxed there.
Excellent control in a tight area. That's a good pass. Gibson. Wonderful interception. They want to defend in numbers here, the defenders. Very powerfully done. He's such an athletic defender, and he's got the ball away, and his teammates are applauding him for it. Good ball. So dangerous. Stoke City go and win it back again. Nicely done between the two of them. Good defensive play. As the danger was mounting, in he stepped. Excellent passing here. What a pity. Intercepted the play, saw the pass coming. And it's in possession now, the ball again for Stoke City. Hibbert. Well, he's nipped in there and stopped the winger getting forward. Stoke City go and win it back again. Quick ball. Well, it was a good prospect there for the attacking team, but the ball winners got it back for them. Whelan. They're passing it well here. Promising piece of attacking play. Came to nothing in the end, and now the opposition have the ball back. Oh, and they're on the counter-attack here. Osman. Oh, it's a great chance. Good wide position to get the ball in the box. Still on the attack with the throw. Well, here they are on the attack again. Osman. Just using the full width of the pitch with that pass. Long-range effort, very long range. Osman. That's a wonderful pass. Could it be? A clean save. Walters. I think there are two of him on the pitch. They must have cloned him.
They must have. And as a defender, you think you've got a bit of time, but all of a sudden he's right on top of you.
Well, they'll ask that player to get crosses in, but he's got to do better than this. Talk about making the most of his shooting opportunities. One team has done that, while the other's been quite wasteful. Really in the clear now. Oh! Hibbert. Now Phil Neville. Back to him again. Tackle here. Well, he's tried his shot from long range. Well, they'll be saying to him, shoot from there, because goalkeeper in a decent position to deal with that for the rest of the game. And the pass not completed, really. Phil Neville has cut out. Now the defender's been called into question, really, by this attacking build-up. To Gibson. Hibbert. Walters. Distin. Darren Gibson. Osman. And that's half-time, signalled by the referee. 1-0 the half-time score. Well, it's very close, this game. Great one to watch, and the possession pretty even as well, Alan.
It is. It's difficult to call a winner at this stage. The game is there to be won.